Hey friends, it's Brian and I am back in the garage again today, putting the final chapter on our CRF70 build. That bike is done, but it doesn't mean the shop is closed. We have a ton of other bikes in the queue right now. I have two Honda CT70s in line, a Z50, a CR85, and another pit bike, as a matter of fact, a KLX 110 that we're going to be working on again with our good friends over at TBoltUSA. So in this video, a couple little caveats. There's some continuity things that you may notice that are broken because some of the things that I did in this bike, I took apart and put back together and so on. So if you see little breaks in continuity, don't hold it against me. I'm just telling you in advance, you may see some of those things. You may recall, if you have followed this series, that this motorcycle, the CRF70, we got for free. I bought another motorcycle, and the guy from whom I bought that bike said, if you'll take this CRF70 off my porch, you can have it. So I got that bike for free. Now in this video, I'm going to show you every expense that I had, but because the bike was free, that is going to be zero, as you see right here. Zero for this bike. So a couple other things. First of all, I want to say big thanks to TBoltUSA. Those guys helped me so much in this project. They supplied most of the parts for this. They are fantastic to deal with. If you're building up a CT70, a Mini, KLX, any of those types of bikes, those guys are fantastic to deal with. Look them up on the web at TBoltUSA.com. So all the parts that went into this bike you're going to see in the description box, so look for those there. And finally, just one other thing I want to add, that this bike was a total piece of crap. It was roached out to the max, waterlogged, and been sit on a porch for many, many years, total trash. But we took it apart, put it back together, and made it into a real jewel. So if you have the courage to try yourself, I definitely would recommend that you do. So go out in your garage, pick up your tools, and have fun in your garage.